Hi guys, in today's Photoshop tutorial I will apply a gold effect to my text. Now let's see how can we do it. I will press T on my keyboard and now I will click with my mouse and it will show me this. Now I will press some keys to type some text. I will write gold. I will change its color to some like this. Now I will enlarge it by pressing Ctrl T and holding Shift and Alt. I will increase it. This is the good size, I think. I'll press tick. Now we will press two times on the layer where our text is written. Now we will click on bevel and emboss. Now you can see my layer style is automatically applied. But you want to know what it was before. It was before like this. What I did that I increased the depth. When I increase the depth, the text the style is hidden. When I will increase some size, it will be easily seen. Now you can see here this is looking good. Contour, and I think Gaussian is this looks good. What do you think? Let me know. So this was today's tutorial. Hope you like it. Don't forget to give me feedback about this. See you in the next video. Bye.